Welcome back to my channel. I am Neha Tiwari and you're watching my YouTube channel Miss Good Rebel. So today's video is all about a face scrub that we can actually use during this lockdown period. This face scrub contains only 2 ingredients and it's simple to make and can be used by anyone, men or women. So this DIY face scrub is made up of 2 major ingredients, that is coffee and curd. कॉफ़ी यानी कि कॉफ़ी बीन्स का जो पाउडर होता है हमारे घरों में जिससे हम कॉफ़ी बनाते हैं, एंड कर्ड इज़ दही जो हम सब ऑलमोस्ट गर्मियों में खाते हैं. तो अभी गर्मियों का सीज़न चल रहा है, दही भी अवेलेबल होगी, कॉफ़ी भी अवेलेबल होगी. एंड सिंस लॉकडाउन है आप सैलून्स और स्पा नहीं जा सकते, तो यू कैन एक्चुअली ब्राइटन अप योर स्किन विद दिस फेस स्क्रब. There are many benefits of this face scrub and I'm going to tell you everything about those benefits. So the first benefit is it helps in reducing tan skin. Yes, summers के साथ tanning is the another word that comes to our mind. When we say summers, it means अभी tanning start होने वाली है. So when you experience tanning, you can use the scrub on your face and you can actually get brighter skin with this scrub. So the first benefit is it helps in reducing tan skin. Second benefit is it helps in removing dead skin cells. Yes, the skin is regularly generating new cells, और जो old cells हैं वो accumulate हो जाते हैं हमारी skin पे, dead cells, and they need to be removed after some time to get that fresh look, that fine texture. तो उसके लिए भी curd and coffee, this scrub is very helpful. It actually removes your dead skin cells very lightly, in a very mild manner. It's not harsh on your skin and it gives a very clean and smooth look. Benefit number 3 is that it helps in reducing redness and puffiness from our face. There are times when you can find inflammation on your face, when you can find redness or puffiness, or under eyes are puffy. So उस time पे you can use the scrub and you can actually reduce the redness and the puffiness from your under eyes. The benefit number 4, the next benefit is that it helps in removing blackheads and whiteheads. Yes guys, people with oily skin tend to get blackheads and whiteheads very often on their skin, and with this scrub you can actually remove blackheads and whiteheads, and that too in a very gentle manner. Next benefit is that it adds a beautiful glow to your face. Since it removes the blackheads, it removes the whiteheads, it removes the skin dead skin cells, it removes tanning from your face. So altogether सारी गंदगी हट जाती है, and it gives the curd makes your skin smooth and fine, and the coffee granules help eliminate all the dirt particles from the face, and then you actually get bright glowing skin. The process of making this scrub is very simple and very easy. You just have to take some coffee and you just have to take some curd. You have to mix both them properly in a paste and then apply it. I've done it myself, and in the next part of this video you can see how I have done it, and you can also see the before and after effect of using this scrub. Into that video. guys, this was all about coffee and curd scrub. Hope you like this video. Please try and use it at home. We हम सब घर पर हैं. We can use it properly. Finding curd and coffee is not a big thing. We all have in our homes. So you can use it. Stay at home. Stay safe. Do not go out. I know the terms and conditions of lockdown are a little bit relaxed, but still we should take precautions. And hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.